Today, let's have a reading practice using basic sentences.
Let's read. I like ham. I like ham. Let's read. I like salad. I like salad. Let's read. I like taco. I like taco. Let's read. I like tomato. I like tomato. Let's read. I like milk. I like milk. Let's read. I like hamburger. I like hamburger. Let's read. I like noodles. I like noodles. Let's read. I like ice cream. I like ice cream. Let's read. I like bread. I like bread. Let's read. I like sandwich. I like sandwich. Let's read. I like pizza. I like pizza. Let's read. I like fruits. I like fruits. Let's read. I like French fries. I like French fries. Let's read. I like watermelon. I like watermelon. Let's read. I like candies. I like candies. Let's read. I like banana. I like banana. Let's read. apples. I like apples. Let's read. I like soy milk. I like soy milk. Let's read. I like broccoli. I like broccoli. Let's read. I like chips. I like chips.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.